What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about creating a public OSD cloud template. So let's get right into it. All right. So why create a public OSD cloud template? Well, if you want to share it out and whatever you create or whatever you manipulate, hopefully I could share out my OSD cloud template to you guys. Want to have it nice, nicely built out and it's working properly. I could share it out. Now, the big difference within public is that it actually removes Dart 10. So if I share out my OSD cloud template to you guys to play around with, you're not going to take advantage of the Dart 10. That's the only thing that gets stripped down during this process. So within my MDT server, I'm going to open up Windows PowerShell ISC as a full admin. Just make sure you open that guy up. You already know the command. How do we create a OSD cloud template? We're going to run the following, but this time we're going to use the name switch with public. As soon as you say public, that's it. You run this, it's going to start creating your OSD cloud template. But if you pay attention to the output within the command prompt, you're going to see that it is going to skip the Microsoft Dart for the public template. Yeah, it's just going to skip it. Same thing. It's just not going to have the Dart stuff embedded into that template. That's it. As always, when I create a new template, I like to run the following command because every time you create a new template, it becomes your current default template. We don't want that. So I typically run the following: get OSD cloud template names. This gives me a nice little list of all the templates that I have. I am getting old, so I got to make sure I know what's what. Once I get a nice list, I know what's what, and I like to run the following command to set the OSD cloud template to my production, okay? Like I said before, every time you create a new cloud template, it becomes your current one. If you want to switch it and make sure that you are using the correct one, just get the OSD cloud template, do the template names command, and then set it to the correct template moving forward. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.